My name is Ritik Detia. My student code is FS413693. And I am here to represent my Construct Week project. Name is Covard Funding Platform. And its project code is B44 underscore web underscore 060. So without wasting time, let's get started our project. So here is our project link or localhost link. So let's go our website. So as you see, this is our landing page, or we can say that as a home page in which we have some links tags as home, community, create community, profile, donation, login, and sign. And in the here is our motto photo, and then we have the category wise donations in there, and last we have footer. So let's go step by step. First, we need to sign in. So here we can use email or name. Let's take a in let's take Anuj with with Anuj at the rate gmail.com with password uj at the rate 123. Let's select the role as staff and so as you can see, after successful signing, it's redirected to login page. So let's log in with Anuj, Anuj at the gmail.com and with Anuj at the rate 123. Please mismatch. So we have we log in into the page, and here we have a profile button which show the profile of Anuj. Here is a course tick means it is not verified. So let's and here is the profile picture because Anuj do not use the profile picture. Let's edit it and let's take the profile picture from our computer. Let's take this and we say open and then upload photo. After successful upload, we have a pop-up of uploading profile successful. And then as we can say that here is our photo of Anuj and with post 0 and donations 0 and following 0 means Anuj do not donate anything. Okay, so let's get the communities. So here is the community tab in which we have the communities which are present here. In this is the community tab. Okay, let's go through the Udan Wings change. So here as we see that single donor Ramu with 200 rupees. So let's donate amount. So here we send a message. Hello. Um, Love donate with 4,000 rupees and donate. Our donation is successfully created, and when we go to the Quran, we can see that Anuj is also part of the donating. Anuj can also create community or donation because he is a staff. So let's create a community for donation. Here is the form of the community. So let's first take empower UTE and T student with we empower the student with the goal of constant for lakh rupees and with a tag of category of education and let's upload a profile for this. Let's take this only and we create the community. So after successful creating community, we can have a pop-up of create community. And we can also see our recently made community here. Because some reason it's not coming. Okay, so we go to the education and here we can say that empower student community is coming. We go to the more details and as we can see that there is no donor, so this is up. So this is our all our project and here is the tag for categorize the donation. For example, we have education selected, so it come in education, and this is for child. Someone make it for child welfare, and some make for women's empower, and some make for animal welfare. And if we don't have any donation community or NGO for that, so we cannot get anything, or we have a simple no donation community available in this category. Thank you. And the an important feature which is AI chat or AI support. Here we can ask the question. So what is donations? We can ask. The AI is thinking. It takes some time because we use the Gemini API. So yeah, it takes some time to look. So while the chat is loading, let's describe the mainframe or the technology which I use in this project. So for front end, I'm using the message is coming. You can see that it is given donation with the context is all about the donation. So in the front end, I'm using the React with Tailwind CSS, and in back end, I'm using the Node.js, MongoDB, and Express, and Multer and Cloudinary API for storing photos. So Node.js is for creating servers or Express for creating response request response cycle and MongoDB for storing the data in the backend and Cloudinary API to store the photos. So this is all about our project. Thank you.